Experiencing Hulu issues on your TV? App crashes, buffering, and login failures are common problems, often due to outdated software, network issues, or device incompatibility. First, check Hulu's server status online to rule out widespread outages. Then, ensure your TV and Hulu app are updated to the latest versions. A quick restart of your TV can also resolve temporary glitches. App crashes often stem from software issues or memory overload. To fix this, force close the Hulu app completely. Next, clear the app's cache and data via your TV's settings menu. Go to Settings, then Apps, select Hulu, and choose Clear Storage. Ensure your TV's firmware is up to date, as outdated firmware can cause conflicts. If the problem persists, try uninstalling and reinstalling the Hulu app. Buffering issues are usually network related. Start by checking your internet speed. Hulu recommends at least 25 megabits for 4K streaming. Try using a wired Ethernet connection instead of Wi-Fi for a more stable connection. Reset your router and modem to refresh your network. Disable any VPNs, as Hulu may block them due to regional licensing restrictions. Also, avoid streaming on multiple devices simultaneously to reduce bandwidth strain. Login failures on Hulu can be frustrating. First, double-check your login credentials to ensure they are correct. Reset your Hulu password if needed. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, make sure you can access your authentication method. It's often more reliable to log in via the Hulu app or website first, then sync to your TV, rather than directly through the TV prompt. If 2FA fails, contact Hulu support for assistance. Hulu supports a wide range of TV brands, covering over 100 different manufacturers to ensure broad compatibility for streaming. However, issues like app crashes or buffering can occur on non-certified devices or older TV models that may not meet Hulu's technical requirements. To avoid problems, always check Hulu's official website for the most current list of supported devices and firmware requirements. If you're using an older TV that's causing issues, consider upgrading to a newer, compatible model that meets modern streaming standards. Alternatively, streaming devices like Roku, Fire TV, or Apple TV often provide better Hulu performance and support. These devices receive more frequent software updates and dedicated Hulu optimizations compared to some built-in TV apps. For persistent Hulu issues on your TV, start by checking the date and time settings. Incorrect settings can cause authentication problems that prevent the app from working properly. Next, disable any unnecessary apps running in the background on your TV. This frees up memory and can resolve performance issues with Hulu. As a last resort, consider performing a factory reset on your TV. Be sure to back up any important data first, as this will erase all settings and return the TV to its original state. If none of these advanced troubleshooting steps resolve your Hulu TV issues, contact Hulu support directly for personalized assistance. They can help diagnose device-specific problems. For frequent crashes on Samsung TVs, a common fix is downgrading to an older Hulu app version. This works because newer updates sometimes introduce bugs that conflict with Samsung's Tizen operating system. When buffering occurs during live events like sports games, switching to a wired Ethernet connection often solves the problem. Wi-Fi can be unstable during peak usage, but a direct cable connection provides consistent bandwidth for smooth streaming. If you're stuck in two-factor authentication loops on your TV, try logging into Hulu on a mobile device first. This establishes a secure session that can then sync to your TV, bypassing the authentication issue caused by account security updates.